Morning, morning. How y'all doing? Doing good? Okay. All right. Yes, I will be getting the food. Calm down. Yeah, the schedule's been off a little bit. I was out of town. I can't control what other people do when they feed you when I'm out of town. Oh, I know y'all look good over there. Y'all's self-feeder is nice and full. Right, London? I know. And your water's good, so I'm just gonna come over and collect eggs in a few. Okay, everybody in, everybody in, get in, get in, get in. No jumping, no acting crazy. Just cleaning it up. Oh, I have to dump it. Woo! That was close. All right, glad y'all are good at that. Oh, 0, 3, 4. Oh, 4 beauties. Oh yeah, y'all. Those look nice. You probably can't see them from there, but I'll bring them over. 4 in that one. None there. Check out those beauties. Oh, there's a beauty. It's a big one. Pardon me. Over here. Oh, we have a nice little clutch of 4. It gives us 9 so far this morning. Thank you, ladies. Oh, yeah. Very nice. How y'all doing over here? No complaints, I hope. Well, London and the ladies, how's it going? Oh, looks like we got a nice little clutch of eggs back there. Don't we? Yeah. Your feeder is still nice and full. None in the bucket, but we have a nice grouping right here of 5. But I say we're at 9, so now that puts us at 14. 14 beauties. Thanks, y'all. A dozen plus 2, I will take it. Oops. Keep your feathers, though. All right. Thank you very much.